Hey, this is David Nottingham with Tech Reviews. Today I'm excited to have you join me for an unboxing and first impressions video of the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphone 700. Before we see what's inside the box, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then hit the bell just so you're notified whenever I post a review here. And if you like what you hear, let me know by clicking the like button as well. If you already own a pair of Bose noise cancelling headphones, tell me so in the comments by just typing "I own this product" in the comments below. By the way, if you don't already own this product, then you can find them at Bestbuy, and I'll post a link to the product page in the description below. Now let's start unboxing so I can give you my first impressions. We're going to unbox here, and the nice thing here is there's just one little piece of tape to cut this bag off. Pretty decent box. It's taped closed. Oh, this is fun. It's got the little pull tabs on the side to take the box apart a little bit. Of course, you've got the Bose logos on the front. Set that down. Ooh, that's a pretty nice hard case. That'll take a little bit of space in the luggage. That's there. Nice hard zipper case though to protect them. And you have the Bose Music logo on the inside. A little bit of a separator piece. We'll stash that there. And it's, a set of headphones. That's here. Labeled inside right and left. Pretty nice to keep them right. That way if you're listening to spatial sounds, you can get that. Ooh. Ooh. That's a good feel. It's nice and silent. I mean, it really deadens the room out when you put them on. And they're not even powered yet for the noise canceling. They're definitely insulated and cushioned. They feel really good on the ears. It also looks like right inside inside the right earphone, it tells you here you've got the power button and you've got the different controls around the side here. So let's take a look. Let's see if we can find the right hand earpiece. And we have Bluetooth buttons. Just your standard controls here. I'll have to take a look at the power side of this and see what the rest of that brings. There's a start here manual inside, and that is surprisingly all that's in this box. Frankly, I'm a little, well, let's take a look in the upper echelon here. Underneath the top section of the case, it looks like we have another compartment. So this has a 3.5mm jack on the for the connections, and it also has USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. So, and that's actually pretty nice because those actually fit right inside the carry case of the unit. So you'll be able to do the items here. So let's take a look here and see if we have what we have here for the buttons here. So I'm going to press the button. I'm not getting any visual indication that this is turning on, so I may have to charge them first. Overall, I mean, they're very sweet, they're very light, they got a good grip strength on them. The headsets, they feel good, they completely go down. So, and I just noticed there's a control on the left hand side as well. So we'll have to do a little bit of research on the controls and get those in the full review. Okay, so this has been just a quick first impressions of the Bose. I mean, what'd you think about what you saw and those first things? So first couple things, very light, very easily handleable, really silent, even with them off. To put them on the head, it really deadens the sound down, so it's really impressive there. Actually, my first pair of Bose noise cancelling headphones got a really good impression on that. If there's something you want me to cover in the full review, that just post it in the comments below and I'll do my best to address that during the review. And if you like the content of this video, please support the channel by subscribing and also hitting the like button. If you know someone who's looking for headphones, then share this video with them. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more techie reviews.